Marielle, Momandagirlwithplans, and it's finally time. It is time to plan in my December planner okay, this is ridiculous. I'm like really excited about December because I get to use Christmas stickers and I love Christmas and any holiday themed stickers. So I realized like we've only got 4 weeks. Like I've got to start right away. I'm not waiting till the week of Christmas. It's happening. December's just going to be holiday theme all month, all the time. So I've got new stickers that just came in from the Happy Planner that I ordered on Black Friday. And I'm like, yeah, no, those are waiting for January. Right now it's going to be Christmas. So, okay. I decided that I wanted to try to use some of my amazing friends' stickers and some stickers that I bought on Etsy, just to show some small business love and just have fun with a different look. So I grabbed these awesome stickers from Alicia Michelle, and I love them so much. They're like little Starbucks cups. These are from Bella Rose Paper, and I grabbed them in both colors because I don't know if I'm going to want to use color or black in my spread. So I'll throw these in there. These, if you were lucky enough to grab the Fan Christmas box stickers, there's some gorgeous Christmas stickers in here. So I might mix some of these in. And then I grabbed some from my shop, Whimsyluxe, which right now I think has 20% off for Cyber Week. So it's this weekend through Monday. And I think I want to use some of these stickers. I'm not sure about the abstracts. I love them. We'll just see. We'll just see because I've got a lot going on here that I want to use. So again, going in with no plan, but I think it's going to work. It's going to be good. So I'm going to go for it. I was thinking about using, instead of the florals from here, I think I want to use these black and white and maybe these little plants. So the only thing that I know for sure, I know I've got more appointments coming up this week, but they're not set yet. So I know for sure I have a staff meeting on Wednesday, and that's like the only pressing appointment that I already know about. And we go back to school Monday from our week off. Oh, I'm so sad. My kids are still, doing their school from here. I'm just gonna go for this. We are going in crazy. Actually, I'm gonna look. I'm not even putting it in a box, you guys. Okay, that's really crooked, but is it too crooked? Oh goodness. You know me. I'm gonna rip it. Okay, you know what? Embrace it, let it go. I'm gonna put one opposite, maybe over here. Let's see if I can get this one at least a little bit straighter. Come on. No, probably not. But you know what? We're going for it. I'm not going to stress about it. Okay. So now I'm going to use some cups. Let's go for Meet Me Under the Mistletoe. Whoa, sorry about that. Let's kind of put this, you know what? Wait, I'm going to put it here because I'm going to put this one down. We'll do Jingle All the Way. And I'll put it, is that too similar? Oh well, you know what? We're going in, we're going on in. I might use this one somewhere else. And let's add some flowers. We'll use a sprig. I'm just going for it today, you guys. You know me, I usually, as I say it, I'm about to do it, as I overanalyze everything. But today, look at me go. So I'm like, it's the little things, right? Okay. That's pretty cute. Okay. And let's see. Now I want to add some extra florals. I love holly leaves. I don't know what it is about holly, but I love it. It's always been one of my faves. So I've got to add some holly leaves on here. I love all of these, like all the different holiday stickers. I think there's so much you can do me grab this, my little, because you can do all different colors, just like your, you know, Christmas home decor. You've got, you know, you can do pastel, you can do, there's so many different ways. It's not just red and green anymore. You can do so many different cool looks with, for your holidays. Okay. Let's see, what else do I want? I know I'm gonna want words. Let's try Merry and Bright here. And we can put warm, which is the one good thing about having stickers that have the white background is you do not have to worry about my lines. Look, I'm not having to white anything out, guys. All right, and then let's see. I kind of want to use this wreath somewhere. I'm gonna have to figure that out. And okay, I'm gonna use this dark green box for my Wednesday meeting. Is gonna go down here. Wait. This is one of my Whimsyluxe ones, which come off so awesome. They're so easy to move around. These are vinyl, so they're super thin and just really easy to move around. This, I think I'm gonna go for black. I just feel like, yeah. There we go. And let's see. These boxes are really cute too. I might put one up here. I've got to be sure where I'm putting them down. There we go. And let's put another one over here. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna add some more flowers and florals. Oh, I just don't know. I really want to use it, but I feel like it's almost too big. Let me try this wreath. This like half wreath might work really well. It's a little bit smaller and I might be able to stack a cup with it. Let's see. I'm wondering if this one is too big. Let's just take a look. I've already got 2 cups. Maybe I could put this one over here. I feel like that's way too crowded there. And up here, it's just kind of too close. Here seems pretty good. So I'm wondering if I do it like that. Yeah. Let's try it. I hope I'm not off the page and you guys can, oh my gosh, and you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's take a look. What if I put it right there? And then I lift up the edges and put this guy underneath it. Let's try it. Getting crazy. Let's see. I feel like I need to take more off if I'm going underneath it here. Oops. There we go. It's a little big over on this side. Like I feel like I should have moved it over some more, but I think I can make it work. Okay. I could add maybe Be Jolly under here. I don't want to cut the top of that lid off. Let's take a look. I might have to. I feel like, yeah. Let's go for it. All right. There we go. And we can do one of these with this little joy just to add a little something to this corner. Yeah, that works. Okay, so I've still got boxes I can use there. I've got some washi strips. these cute little plants. Let me grab, where are the rest of my flowers? Let's add some more here. Oops. Oh, I've got more holly I didn't use. I could put that there, that's really cute. And I've got another one that I can add to that other corner right here. I'm gonna put it in a new spot. Let's put it right there so it's not exactly the same as that one. I might add these little tiny berries to this one. And maybe we can add a fun little green sprig right here. Whoops, I don't want to cover up too much jolly. Hold on. How about like that? There we go. That's cute. Alrighty. And now I'm just gonna add some extra little sprigs in. I'm trying to decide if I should use some of these, maybe some of these roses would be pretty. Let's see what we think about it. Let's cut one. Boom. Get some layering going here. Can put one right there. And we can add, well, or do I want it by the cup? I don't know if I want it on the box. What do y'all think? The box? I like how I'm waiting for you to answer. I'm sorry, I know you're not gonna answer. I'm not feeling that. I am not feeling it. I like them more freeform instead of like, normally I layer and I'll cut behind, but I think I might stick this one back together and use it instead of cut. Let's see. Let's try it and see what we think. And by we, I know I'm saying basically me because you can't tell me. I don't know. I don't know if I should just leave extra flowers or let it go. Let's see. We're just going to keep adding and adding and see what we come up with. I'm going to grab some of these little, whoops, sprigs. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm thinking I need to change up the directions because everything's going like, I feel like the rose needs to go over this. So oh my gosh, sorry, I keep dropping everything. Let me grab this one and peel up. There we go. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's see. Maybe I'm gonna add one of these little eucalyptus guys. Whoa. I wonder if I'm getting too like curvy. Oh well. We'll see. Let's try one of these roses that are like this with another one of these little guys. Well, no, let's try this one. There's so many options. We're just layering away. Okay. And I'm just gonna keep putting a couple different ones in random spots here. I wonder if this little rose will work here. It's actually kind of too big, I think, for that. Yeah, too big. We'll save it for another one. That's the thing, all these ones, like if you don't use these Christmassy looking sprigs, you could use these roses for like Valentine's Day or just any other spread. So they're not specifically Christmas, but adding these little twigs and things in there really kind of make it more Christmassy. Okay. Now, do I want to add, let's see if this is taking it too, is this taking it too far? That's what I want to know. I'm not sure. I feel like no matter where I'm putting it, it's like weird. Ugh, they're so cute too. I guess I'll save them for another spread. Yeah, I'll save it for another one. They really would, they're really cute. I just feel like I've got too many things going on. I feel like I'm gonna add one more box. And I feel like after that, I am done. Because I feel like I've got enough decoration on here without being overpowering, if that makes any sense. There we go. So I've got the red tied in, the green. Let's add a little, maybe one of these. Little sprigs to it. That one's kind of big. I thought it would be better with a bigger one, but I kind of think it's too big for that little box. Let's try the little one. I think that one will be better. Actually, let's do it this way. There we go. There. I think it's done. I was going to look through and see if there's any other things I needed to do, but I think we've got everything covered. Yeah. I've got so many more stickers to use still, so I'm really excited. I think it was fun to try to think outside of the box and come up with some new, ways to mix. It was really fun to use my friend's stickers along with mine and just kind of mix it up. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll get back with you. And I would love it if you would subscribe and like this video so you can follow along and get notifications when new videos come out. Thank you so much and have yourself a great week.